Hi, and welcome to the Piecesanspermis workshop. I'm Julien, and today we're going to see how to replace your hinges in your hood. So for this you'll need a clamp, a flat screwdriver, a ratchet wrench with an 8mm socket, as well as 2 new hinges and a new hood. Start by unscrewing the hinges. Place the screws to one side. Position your new hinges in the new hood. Once your new hood has been painted, you can mount it on by securing the hinges into place.
It's okay.
Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and to share this video. See you soon at Piecesanspermis.